Did you know that you can add terms and conditions directly inside of payment forms inside of GoHighLevel? So if we want to collect payments inside of a site form instead of inside of a payment link or an invoice, we can do this inside of our forms with our payment options for sell products and collect payment. But for an example like this, you can see it just has a complete order button and there's no terms or conditions on this, which makes this A, not compliant, and B, not looking very professional for our customers and whoever's using this form. So to solve this problem, all we have to do is scroll down on the left-hand side, find T&C, and just send this over into our form. This will put in the terms and conditions on the form itself. Then in order to actually include your terms and conditions, all you have to do is highlight the different pieces of text and then link them to your terms by highlighting the piece of text, clicking add link, including the URL, designating the action, clicking save, and then do the same thing for conditions. Once you have that set up, you can save and preview your form, and you'll see just like that, we have our payment form and then our terms and conditions right here at the bottom, which our customer can agree to, and they can click here in order to actually get access to the terms and conditions for our company. This is crucial because it keeps you in compliance whenever you're making sales on forms, and forms are a great way to collect payments because it gives you a lot more customization over what the payment screen actually looks like as opposed to using an order form element or an invoice or a payment link. You can learn more about this by checking out the blogs on terms and conditions inside of payment forms using GoHighLevel, or you can drop a comment on this video. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you next time.